After I had shown these guys how to do all of the cutting and threading, I then allowed them to take over. And what I'm showing them is where the placement needs to be on the rollers, and he had overseeded it, and I was ensuring that it was hitting the rollers. Actually, I think he's backing it off a little bit more so you can actually get it inside there now. And then I remember he overseeded it, and I had to make sure that he had the pipe between the rollers. And I was telling him he can bump it right now so that he can be seeing where his mark is, so that while he's adjusting it, I always bump the threader to identify, hey, where is my mark in orientation? And I'm showing him, hey, you can slide it back and forth with the lever. And then once you have it in place, like he has it now, you cinch it down, and then he's going to start spinning it. He's got everything tight, and now he's going to gradually start increasing the pressure by turning that lever to the right. He's cutting it, and then once he's done, I'm going to give him the opportunity to do the rest of the portions. But he does a good job. His nipple falls down. Then we go to the next spot. We've reseated the nipple now. Now we're going to be threading this portion. He plops down the reamer. He pulls the lever on the reamer. Now he's going to engage the reamer. I really liked how they were working as a team here because they're both learning how to do it at the same time. And I'm here ensuring that they're doing it properly. I am not doing the pressure for him, but I'm warning him in this video that, hey, too much pressure will increase the divot on the internal of it. All you want to do is apply enough pressure to take the lip that's on the inner edge of the burr out. So they're checking it. They're saying, hey, maybe we went a little deep, but I said it's better to be a touch deep than not far enough. Right here, they're going to be switching sides, but I'm showing them that the knob needs to get adjusted so that way he can clear it. So he's cheating the threader forward. This only happens in the 1-inch position on our threader. I'm not sure why. It's kind of a design flaw, but you got to kind of cheat it forward, and then you cheat it back into place, and it'll latch in place. Then I have him engage it and start to thread. I'm ensuring that he knows he needs to add pressure. He needs to oil it, and they're just preparing because it's their first time threading. Now they start the threading. I'm letting him know that he needs to continue to apply pressure all the way through the first 2 to 3 threads. I always prefer 3. You can actually get it with about 1.5 threads. And then I'm also instructing him when to stop and release it. So basically, I am letting him know also where to oil. He was oiling on the backside instead of the front side, and it wasn't really actually catching where the teeth are engaging. So, and there I showed him that once he hits the threads coming past the end of the die, that's generally when I disengage it. It fits halfway into a coupling this way.